Okay, so this is the Everlast leggings in Camel and the Lark tank in like their olive greenish color. And if you can see, super cute. See how the leggings are here on the V? Adorbs. Goes down the back of the leg and down that V. I will say these clothes are super tight, so normally I run a medium in things. In Alo I wore a small, but if you look at their sizing chart, it says that anywhere between size 4 to 6 is a small, so that's definitely me. I'm literally in between a 4 and a 6. So here's the other side, so you guys can see the back. Super cute. I'm not wearing a sports bra with this right now, and I feel pretty comfortable in it, to be honest, even though there's all these cutouts. Can you guys see the cutouts and stuff in the tank? Super cute, right? So I probably would not wear a sports bra with this, because if you do, you're gonna see the sports bra through these cute little vents in the side, which I really wouldn't want to ruin that. But sometimes I don't like the nips showing. Oh, there's Molly. I'm not really a free the nips kind of a person. I'm really trying to get used to the idea of not wearing a bra. I just have this issue when it comes to wearing shirts to sports bra or not to sports bra. So with this, I probably actually would not sports bra. So I'm just gonna give you one more little turnaround of the item. Super cute. And there you go. Okay, so this is the high-waisted Sheila legging, and this is the Mantra long sleeve top. Okay, first of all, I love this top, you guys. It is so crazy soft. It's like as soft as my baby cat's ears. Love the thummies. I always love anything with thummies, especially in this cold weather. Love the cute little cutout here. Now you notice with this one, I am wearing a sports bra because it's cold. This one's not tight, so it doesn't like give you very much support. It's just a nice, comfy long sleeve with thummies. And then these leggings, totally love them. What is this? Oh, that's the little aloe symbol. Hello. Anyway. So these are super cute. Love the cutouts in these. I like it when pants make it look like you're wearing shorts. So I'm just gonna show you again. I know it's hard to see in this closet with this view, but these pants are so super cute. The whole bottom of them is see-through and they're glossy, which is fun. So yeah, let me give you the little turnaround. Do 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 do. Right? You like it? I love it. Honestly, I probably wouldn't wear these two exact pieces together just because I don't like this gray sort of printy thing with the glossy pants. Some people probably wouldn't care. People call me Miss Matchy Matchy because I probably match too much, but I just have a really hard time getting my mind wrapped around this whole wear whatever color with whatever color. Okay, so these are the high-waisted airbrush leggings, and I have to say, like, oh my God, I love these pants. I should have gotten them in like every freaking color. So I don't know if you can tell on the camera, there's that aloe symbol again. I don't know if you guys can tell on the color on this camera how glossy these are, but you guys know those like fake patent leather pants that everybody was wearing like a while ago? I don't know, are they still wearing it? I only know yoga fashion. But it's like those. They're like shiny and sleek and like skin tight, like hugs your body and your curves. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now I will have to say though, they are a little bit long for my short legs. You see how they're gathered here at the bottom? You know, you can definitely tell that they're a little bit long for me. But will I still wear them? Yes, I will. So, super cute. I love these. And honestly, I wish that I would have gotten them in black and like whatever other color that they come in, because I bought these at the Black Friday sale. And now if I want these leggings, I'm going to pay a lot more for them, even with my pro discount. Okay, so da-da-da-da! It's the review of the pants that you guys have all probably been waiting for, the Alo Goddess legging. So while I'm going to say I love the way they feel, I love the fit. Oh, by the way, I opted with gray on the top and black on the bottom because I'm a practical person and they have so many cute colors and all this stuff. But I can't buy yoga clothes that I'm only going to have one or two things to wear with. So I usually, as you've noticed, will opt with more neutral colors, especially for pants, that I can wear with like anything in my wardrobe pretty much. So gray on black, I know it's basic. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how these fit. For me, being a short person, because this was my biggest concern, and honestly, like I told you guys, this is always my biggest concern when it comes to buying clothes online. Is it going to be too tight, like it makes my butt look smashed and flat? I hate that. Is it gonna be where it fits my butt but it's too big on my waist and baggy? I hate that. But the most important thing, and what always ends up happening, is that everything is too long. And I wish that places made more things with different lengths, because hello you guys, you know that we're not all the same height. And just because you're tall doesn't mean you're gonna be skinny. Just because you're short doesn't mean you're gonna be curvy. Like, can we just make clothes for actual women's bodies? So anyway, let me show you what these leggings look like on my legs. If I were to wear these the way that other people wear them, just with the end of it hanging off your foot, and it's supposed to hit you perfectly in the arch of your foot, that doesn't work for me. Look. Where's my foot? Look at my foot. I look like a Grinch foot. I look like a Grinch foot. Look at this. Look at how much extra fabric beyond my big toe. Like, whose leg is this long? So here's how I have to wear it. Scrunched up like that. And I don't know, is that the way you're supposed to wear it? I think I have to look at their ads again. It's very 80s. So this whole idea of having the leggings this long in itself is very 80s, right? Like we used to wear, like purposely wear long pants and pull them over to the arches of our feet. Our pants weren't made to go like that. That's just how we wore them. And we also had stirrups where we had specific leggings with like a strap that goes around the arch of the foot. They have them again now. So this is kind of like an off play of that. But again, like I told you, I don't think it really fits me right. You guys will have to tell me what you think. Should I get them hemmed? Or should I rock them all like scrunched up? I don't know. Okay guys, I hope that this was informative for you as well as fun to watch. And I hope that you get to do some awesome online shopping. I am actually off to go teach yoga right now and then headed to the spa to go make people happy, healthy, and beautiful. I hope you guys all have a lovely day. Bye!
That is what yoga does.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my Alo Yoga review. I hope that you enjoyed seeing the way the clothes fit, as well as seeing what it looks like with some movement. You guys, I really am loving this stuff. I love the way it feels. I love the way it moves. It's super, super comfortable. It's warm without feeling overheating, even when you're moving through a vinyasa flow practice. So I definitely recommend you guys pick up some stuff from Alo Yoga. It's super cute. Alright, have a great day. Namaste.